Hi, my name is Arik Golowinski, and I'm the product manager for the Progressive Delivery Group that is part of the release stage. Today, I want to walk you through what we are planning to release as part of the 12.7 milestone here at GitLab. So I'll go ahead and share my screen. So in 12.7, we plan to add this first item, show information for pods marked for termination. So as part of the deploy boards in your Kubernetes deployment, we're going to add this highly requested feature that marks the pods that are pending termination and terminated so that you can set them apart from the regular pods as part of your deployment. Another feature that we're going to release is the ability to associate feature flags with contextual issues. What this does is actually connects between an issue that you opened and a feature flag that is associated to that issue, either from the issue or from the feature flag itself. So you can see from the feature flag page, we have the regular feature flag, and then we have a list of related issues. Coming up later, we'll also have the related merge requests. And from the issue page, we will have the same link going across, so you can see the related feature flags similar to the way that you can see related issues or related merge requests on the issue itself. This will give you an indication of which feature flag is associated to specific feature flag and the status and the strategy applied to it. Group deploy tokens is another feature that we're planning to add. And what this does is we understand that it's a pain to copy tokens from one project to another project. So what we're going to add is the ability to define group tokens as part of a group, which will then be brought down to any project that is associated to that group. So you won't need to retype for every project that uses these tokens. Another really cool feature, which we're starting the MVC in this release, is one button to enable review apps. So we understand that sometimes it's a little bit complicated to configure review apps, and we want to make your life easier. So what we want to do is create a button that will probably just do everything for you, enter your configuration, and we'll connect the dots behind the scene. For this iteration, what we're going to start with is Kubernetes configurations. The button will bring up a page that will actually ask you to enter your configurations. So dynamic address URL, for example, and that will go into the YAML file itself, helping you configure your review app. Some leftovers that we have from previous releases that we hope to accomplish in this release is allow fork pipelines to run in a parent project. So if you have a project that was forked from a parent project but doesn't have the permissions, you will be able to run it. Auto stop environments after a certain period. So what this essentially does is creates an expiration date for environments, most likely review apps, that are not being used and can be terminated. The system will terminate them for you. And last but not least, add API support for retrieving merge request deployment and deployment, which is an extension to what we're doing, which connects deployments from external repos that will be able to be shown on the merge request widget. So we're really excited for this release. We want to wish everyone happy holidays. If you have any questions or feedback, please feel free to ping me on the issues themselves or email me at ogolowinski@gitlab.com. Looking forward to hearing your feedback.